Departments and Categories Assistant in AAAPOS RetailManager. Welcome to this Retail Manager training session. In this video, you'll learn how to use the Departments and Categories Assistant to create and manage your product departments and categories. This tool helps you organize your inventory into logical groups for easy tracking and reporting. You can open the Departments and Categories Assistant from the Stock Management menu, or directly from the Stock, Goods Received, or Purchase Orders windows. Click Next to begin. In the Set Up a Department window, select Add New from the department name list. Enter a name for your department, and click OK. Department names can be up to 10 characters long. If you don't want to set up categories yet, click Finish. To add categories now, select how many you want, up to 3. Then choose Next. In this step, you'll create your category headings. For each category, select Add New, enter a name, for example, color or size, and click OK. Repeat the same steps for Category 2 and Category 3 if needed. Click Next to move to the next step. Now, let's add values for each category. Click Add, enter a category value, for example, red or blue, and click OK. Repeat for as many values as you need. Each value can be up to 6 alphanumeric characters long. Click Next to move to the next category, and repeat the process if you have multiple categories. When you've finished, review your setup in the summary window. Check that all departments, categories, and values are correct. Click back to make changes, or finish to save. After saving, Retail Manager asks if you'd like to create stock items now. Click Yes to go straight to creating stock, or No to return to the main window. That's it. You've now set up departments and categories in Retail Manager.